The Supreme Court of India will decide on May 9 whether to grant interim bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is currently in Tihar jail in the excise policy case. The hearing comes after Kejriwal filed a petition challenging his arrest. The verdict of the top court will decide if Kejriwal, who has been in custody since even before the beginning of Lok Sabha polls, will able to campaign or not. I am Vishal Upadhyay and you're watching India TV. So what exactly happened with Kejriwal in the court and why did the bench leave without giving the verdict? Let's find out. Comments from the court on Kejriwal's bail. Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta stated that Kejriwal is not a habitual criminal. The court highlighted the unprecedented situation of ongoing Lok Sabha elections, emphasizing Kejriwal's position as the elected Chief Minister of Delhi. The court remarked that if elections weren't underway, the question of interim bail wouldn't have arisen. The court noted that elections occur only once every 5 years. Supreme Court's bail condition. The Supreme Court stated that if bail is granted, Kejriwal should refrain from interfering in government work or performing his official duties to avoid conflicts of interest. Arvind Kejriwal accepted the condition. Kejriwal affirmed, "We will not sign any file. The condition is that the LG should not halt any work on the grounds that the file is not signed. I will refrain from making any detrimental statements." ED's arguments against bail. The ED argued against creating a separate category for politicians. They pointed out that there are currently 5,000 cases nationwide involving MPs. Should all them be granted bail? The ED questioned whether a farmer engaged in the sowing season is less important than an MP. They argued that granting bail to Kejriwal might imply that he did nothing wrong, despite being arrested before the elections. The ED suggested that if Kejriwal had cooperated and not ignored the 9 summons, he might not have been arrested. However, after lunch, the bench adjourned without making a decision on the interim bail. It is reported that the hearing couldn't be completed due to time constraints. What do you think about this? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.